stay tuned as I try to use my laziness over the summer break to try and make an impression. Hi there, Simon from Visual Culture here, and yes, it's day one back in the office and I have been a bit lazy this morning. I haven't worried about shaving. It's been 2 weeks, nice summer break with the kids, and no doubt you've made your impressions about whether you like the beard or not. And that's actually a nice little segue and probably part of the reason why I've kept the beard going. Is I actually wanted to create a video that talks about first impressions and how people are going to make their decisions based on your video content and how quickly it engages them. So beard with me. Sorry. That is a really bad dad joke. I have been around my 3 kids a bit too long the last 2 weeks, but yeah, let's get into it. Now, you don't need me to tell you what every other marketer is preaching at the moment, and that's the fact, especially in social media, that people's attention span is getting shorter and shorter. Now, you've heard it, you know it, and you actually do it. Scrolling through your social media feed, if a video pops up and it doesn't resonate within a few seconds, you'll move on. So how do you make a good first impression with your own video content? Ideally without having to change your physical appearance. I've got a few quick tips for you. First up, it's what the viewer sees before the video actually starts playing, and more often than not, that's the thumbnail image. Even on Facebook, just scrolling through, you're going to see a quick thumbnail image before the video starts to play, so make sure that's attention grabbing. But for other platforms like YouTube, maybe Vimeo, and even your own website, a title is going to grab people's attention. Keep it short, keep it original, but what you want to do is entice people to want to press that play button and view your content. Next up is get to the point. Those first few seconds are absolutely critical for retaining that viewer's attention. Now, a good idea is, depending on the type of video, is perhaps to give a little 5-second introduction about what to expect, a quick overview of what the video is all about. And that way, you're going to engage the viewer to want to see more and want to find out more and want to watch the video the whole way through. And finally, appearance is everything. Now, that could be the way your product's being displayed, perhaps your company is being portrayed, or even the spokesperson, how they're dressed and what they're saying. Now, it's not all about outfits, it's also, of course, about the scene that you're portraying. It's perhaps the music, even the scripts, the colors, the logos, the fonts, everything should all fit your style and tone of your company. Now, I am probably contradicting myself with my appearance today, but don't worry, the beard's not going to last. I was just trying to make a point with this video, and I hope you sort of align my analogy with the beard and making a good first impression, even though I'm doing completely the opposite in this video. Anyway, my advice is make a great first impression with your video content, because we all live in a visual culture.